This is Jedi's for Jesus, and today I am doing something different. This is the first type of one of these videos that I'm making here. I like to cook, and this is an air fryer that got last year. Really like using this thing. It's great, especially when you go camping. Yeah, I know you go camping and you take an air fryer with you, but you know, two great compartments. You can put all kinds of things in here. French fries in one. You can put onion rings in the other. You can put things like a personal sized pizza in there, you know, which in the future I will show different things that I have made in here. But today I will show you that I'm going to go ahead and have a chicken on one side and some potatoes on the other side. But before I do that, I just want to put a couple of plugs out there for these gloves. They're fantastic. I definitely would invest in a pair of these. You can hold on to something coming out of the oven like 30 seconds and your hand is safe, no problems. And that's the same thing with this thing right here. This actually fits, this has to come out, and this actually fits in there like that. So if you want to pull this out with the gloves, that would be, you know, a smart thing to do. And you know, you still have all your fingers and all that like that to pull things out. And you can actually, you know, take this out when it's hot, or actually mess around with this thing if it's hot and you're trying to get something out. Bacon, hash brown patties, Spam, anything like that that you have on these racks like this. And it's like, you know, you can put the one in the middle, and you can put, you know, a lot more stuff in here. You could even layer French fries in each one of these things, because it's like it needs to circulate the air all around. So that is just another thing that you can get. There'll be a link on the bottom for that, and also there'll be a link for these gloves. And like I said, I'm glad I got them. And sometimes on the bottom of people describing stuff on what they think about it, I have not had a problem. I have not burnt myself, and I'm thinking, what do people do? Hold a pan hot for about a minute? But no, they really work. I've said enough, and I'll go ahead and show you that video of me cooking the chicken and the potatoes. Whether you're watching on your smart device or your computer, please, on the bottom, please leave a comment. It really helps out our channel. Thank you. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you.
Well, today we're going to cook chicken, which I seasoned with some nice seasoning, and we're going to go ahead and set the air fryer to 360 degrees for 30 minutes, and then you go ahead and flip the bird over after, and you go ahead and set it again. So there's the chicken in the air fryer, and it's going to be cooking. While it's cooking, I went ahead and cut up some potatoes and made up some seasoning for the potatoes, and put a little bit of olive oil on the potatoes, and then you put your seasoning on, and you go ahead and mix all this up. You have it all mixed up like this, you go ahead and put it in the air fryer, and you set the air fryer on is about 400 degrees, and you can see if 20 minutes in the air fryer is long enough. And if you need a little bit more time, then you can add 5 to 10 minutes, but you check it out.
I really like these gloves. I'm going to show you how this chicken looks in here. Here's the chicken, and I'm going to go ahead and use the gloves to go ahead and flip it over. So I've seen other people use tongs, but there you go. When I flipped it over, put it back in, set it for 360 for 30 minutes. I really like this air fryer. There's a lot of things that I've made in it, and what I'm going to show you today is chicken and potatoes that I made in it, and there's going to be a lot more videos, and I just want to show you. There's the potatoes, and the chicken has 10 seconds. So now it's going to its cooling cycle. But I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off. And there's the nice chicken there. And then, like I said, with these gloves, without getting a tongs, you could go ahead and use these gloves. They're wonderful. And there you go. Look at that nice bird. I hope you enjoyed that kind of video, and if you did, go ahead and leave a comment down on the bottom and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I like cooking, I like making videos, I like editing, I like doing all this stuff, so it would be really appreciated. Any comments, and we'll see you on the next video. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.